How to find profitable affiliate programs.
A successful website can easily make thousands of dollars for you every month. We are providing you with the links of some affiliate networks that will give you the ads to place on your website. First of all, they will visit your website and check that either your website has the capacity to get the visitors on it. If they are satisfied, they will give you their product ads of their merchants to promote on your website. The ads may be in the text format or it can be a banner. Place them on your website where you want and then sit back and earn a good amount just for doing nothing. It is not difficult to find profitable affiliate programs. A good option is to search in regular affiliate networks like ClickBank and Commission Junction. Following is the list of some good, reliable and reputable online affiliate networks that can provide you the best affiliates. You can join many affiliate networks at a time so that you can make a good income. 1CJ.com Join for free. This affiliate network is acting as an intermediate between the publisher, you the webmaster, and the advertisers. You are required to register here. Your website will be checked and if accepted, then you will be allowed to get the ads. Hundreds of advertisers are there from which you can choose the best according to your website nature. Get the ads or banners of the advertisers and place them on your site. For every action that is done on these ads, e.g. a visitor goes to the advertiser's website, registers there or makes any purchase, all this is recorded by the CJ.com. The revenue is collected from all of your advertisers by the CJ.com and is paid to you every month. Good websites are earning $10,000 to $15,000 every month. Their famous advertisers are eBay.com, Quick Loans, Backcountry.com, Crucial Technology, Expedia, Zappos.com, etc. The well-known publishers are NetFlowIPS.com, MyPoints, Ebates, etc. 2affiliateseeking.com Join for free. This affiliate network is acting as an intermediate between the publisher, webmaster, and the advertiser. Choose the advertisers which you want to be an affiliate. Every advertiser offers you different incentives for every sale, visit or sign up to their websites through your website. 3affiliatetip.com Join for free. Look at this website and check all the advertisers and their offers. Choose the best ones according to the nature of your website and start earning today. 4element5.com Join for free. Element 5 enables you to build partnership with software publishers and begin marketing their products. Each sale will generate revenue for you. There are many other affiliate networks available on the internet, but above mentioned are reliable and have been in business for many years. 5clickbank.com This is a very well-known affiliate network. It only markets products that are downloadable, especially software products and ebooks. ClickBank is very easy to join and is very inexpensive. If you are an affiliate, then you will pay 7% and $1 for each sale. 6linkshair.com It has more than 600 merchants and 10 million affiliates. If you are an affiliate and you have the chance to promote a larger number of different products. Some famous merchants are Dell, American Express, Disney and others. 7sharesale.com It is a big network with more than 400 merchants. They pay good commissions. The fee for affiliate to use their service is 20% of affiliate revenue. You don't need to buy any additional software. 8clixgalore.com This network has more than 1,200 merchants and 2,500 programs. All applications are accepted at the time of submitting application, so entry is very easy. Usually small and medium-level affiliates like to join this network. It offers two-tier referral payment system for affiliates. Advance payment is collected from the merchants, so there are no chances of commission theft. Conclusion. There are many other networks available on the internet, but above mentioned are more reliable.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.